In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for removing and reinstalling your vehicle's radiator. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for reattaching the vehicle's radiator hoses back to the radiator after service. I'm going to take my upper hose here first. It's the easy one. I'm going to make sure that the contour follows the same direction that it's designed and slip it on the radiator. I'm going to use a wiggling, pushing motion to get at the seat. Now make sure you get it all the way bottomed out against the stopping tab. From there, I'm going to take my channel locks and compress my permanent tension spring clamp. Just like so. I'm going to wiggle it up onto the nipple, get one more grip on it, and slip it into place. Now you can see on the hose there's a pattern right here. That's where that clamp's been its whole life, and it really likes being there. So we're going to take and put that clamp exactly back where it came off of. Just like so. That's the proper procedure for installing your upper radiator hose. What I'm going to do is the same method on the lower radiator hose. I'm just going to slip it up onto the port. Just like so, and slide on the hose clamp. Get one more grip on it. And slide it on. So pliers down. From here we have one more hose to deal with. We're going to take and reinstall our overflow hose. That goes right on the nipple on the radiator. Right like so. Most of these hoses do not have a clamp on them, being that they carry overflow fluid under extremely low pressure. If yours does happen to have a clamp on it, make sure to put it back in the right position. That is the proper service procedure for reattaching your vehicle's radiator hoses to the radiator.